What's good, everyone? Today I'll be showing you how to create an RNG Aura type game. So basically there'll be a button down the bottom, and if you click it, then you'll get a random chance of like an aura. So let's say common is 50, rare is 25, and legendary is 1. And when you roll, you have a 50% chance of getting common, 25% chance of getting rare, and 1% chance of getting a legendary aura. So let's get started. First of all, go to, actually you need your Explorer and Properties tab open. Then you want to go to Replicated Storage and add in a remote event and call this roll event, just like that. Then go into Replicated Storage, add in a folder, call it remotes, or actually events. Then duplicate it and then call it modules. Then put the roll event inside of it and add in a module script inside of the modules, and then just call it roll module. Okay, then we need to go into server storage. We need to add in a actually we can call this auras. Oops. Then we can do module dot auras is equal to, and then a table. Then we need to, find some auras. So I'm just going to search up auras, And I'll just get like a common, rare, common, rare, epic, and legendary. Oh. Okay, that took a while to do, but I've got my auras. So this is obviously common, rare, epic, and then legendary. So you want to make sure that you don't have any auras or any particles inside of any other body parts except for the torso. And also make sure you go to game settings, save to Roblox. Save it to whatever you want. This part doesn't really matter. But make sure you save it. Go to game settings, go to avatar, make sure avatar is switched to R6. And click yes. And if it isn't, then this won't work. But now, once you've done that, you want to go into all of them and name the torso the rarity of it. And then you just want to put it inside of the folder, inside of the aura folder. So just select all of them. Then put them inside of auras. Then you can delete all the dummies because we don't need them anymore. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to go to roll module, and then inside of auras you want to do, actually up the top we can do local, and then local server storage. To game get server storage. Can do brackets, speech marks, and then common. Then we can do is equal to, and then like 45. Then make sure you put a comma after that. Then actually no, we need to make this server storage dot auras dot common, because this is the auras, not the rarities. And then paste it, and then I'll just copy this, make this rare, and then rare, and then epic, then lastly legendary. Okay, once you've done that, we can now do module dot and then rarities is equal to another table. Then just copy all this, paste it, but make sure this is the rarity, so 45. Let's go 20 or 30, so that's 75. So then I can make this 90 or I can't do math. Sorry about that. I'll just need my calculator real quick. 45 plus 30 plus 19 plus 1 is equal to 95. So I'll just add 5 to this. Okay, so make sure it all I'll just do 50 instead. So make sure all of it adds up to 100. The rest of this won't work. Anyways, once you've done that, we can do module dot choose aura is equal to a function. Okay, then we could do local random num is equal to math.random, then 1, 100. Then we can do local counter is equal to 0. Then this part might be a bit confusing, but just follow along. Do for rarity, comma weight in module dot rarities. Do. Then we can do counter plus equals weight. Then if random num is smaller than or equals to counter, then return module dot auras, and then square brackets rarity. Okay, so basically it will choose a random number between 1 and 100, and the counter is like the random number, I think, and then the rarity, which is the name, and then the weight, which is the number in the module.rarities in the table here. Do. So then the counter plus equals the weight. Okay? And then if the random number is smaller or equals to a counter, then it'll go to the next one. So if comment is bigger than or equals to, is smaller than or equals to counter, then it'll go to rare. And if random is smaller, then it'll go to epic. And then if legendary is the last choice, then it'll pick this one. Make sense? I hope so. So you can find this module in the description. It's very easy to make, but I made it myself. So you can find it in the description. It'll just be a Roblox link. Okay, so once you've done that, go to service script service, and then the script, then just call it role server, or actually role handler. Then we can do local server storage is equal to game get service and then server storage. Then we can do local modules, or actually local role module is equal to require, and then server storage wait for child modules. Oh, actually, this needs to be keep the server storage and make one for replicated storage as well. So then we can do replicated storage, come off the child modules, find first child, then role module. Then we can do, let's just put in space there. Then we can do local events. Actually we can do local role event, is equal to replicated storage, find first child, or wait for child, speech marks, event, find first child, and then modules. Oh no, role event, Okay, then we can do role event dot on server event connect function, 2 brackets. Then we can do player. Then we can do local char is equal to player dot character. Then we can do local and then aura is equal to, and then should be role module dot choose aura. Then we can do if char dot torso find first child brackets speech marks attachment. Then we can do aura dot attachment or actually we can do copy this here and do destroy. Then we can do else or we can do part of aura dot attachment clone brackets dot parent is equal to char dot torso. Else, and copy this line here. So basically, once the role event is fired, it'll connect it to a function, and then it'll get the player. And the character is equal to the player's character. Aura is the role module, and then the function inside of the role module, which is choose aura. And then we can do if the char torso, if there's an attachment, if there's already an aura in there, then it'll delete it, and it'll add the aura inside of the chosen aura. And if it doesn't, that'll just give it itself. So we need to go into starter GUI, click the plus and add in a screen GUI. Then we can call it role GUI. Make sure ignore GUI instead is ticked on. Then we can add in the text button and just make it say role. Then you can customize it. Like this. We can add in a UI corner. And a UI stroke. Make the thickness 5 on the border. And duplicate it and make the thickness contextual 5. Then we can make the text color white, change the font and make a bold. So this is my one. It can look anything like you want. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but click the plus and add in a local script, and we can do local button is equal to then script.parent, then local replicated storage is equal to game colon get service replicate storage. Then we can do local role events is equal to replicate storage colon later child remotes or events, sorry. So they colon find first child role event. Then we can do role event, or actually we can do button dot mouse button one click colon connect function, add 2 brackets. Then we can do role event colon fire server, and that's it. So now we can close off everything, click play, and yeah, so our avatars are 6. And if we click roll, then oh yeah, so another thing, make sure that the attachment is called attachment. So basically just add in a new attachment inside of your thing, and then just put everything inside of it. It may be a little bit buggy, like be a bit weird, like off-centered, but you can just center it back. Okay, so now click play, and as you can see, and I'm R15. Okay, well, looks like I'm gonna have to do this inside of Roblox. Okay, so now I'm inside of it. Just waiting. Okay, so as you can see, when we click roll, then we get an aura. And keep rolling if we want. There's the rare. Oh, that was the epic. A bit off-centered though. Yeah. See if we can get the legendary. I think I got it before. Oh, I just had it. Anyways, that's how you make an Aura system, RNG system thingy-majiggy, inside of Roblox Studio. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. May have to try and fix that red little bug there. Anyways, bye.